questions based on AP, and these questions is very important from your examination point of view. So see the first question here. It is said that the sum of the first 9 terms of an AP is 81 and that of first 20 terms is 400. Find the first term and the common difference. So sum of the first 9 terms. So it means that S of 9 is given as 81 and S of 20 is given as 400. S of 9. So value of S of 9 we are knowing formula is 9 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This value is given as 81. Here n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 400. So when you are going to solve this value, it will be your 2 into this, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16 is equals to n, value of n is 9 into 2a plus n 9 minus 1 into d. So when you solve here, 162, this 9 will come down, is equals to 2a plus 8d. So this value is divisible by 9. Let us check. 162 divided by 9, 18 times. So 18 is equals to 2a plus 8d. This total value is divisible by 2 also. It will be your 9 is equal to a plus 4d. So this will be our first equation. Now solve this. Value of n is here what? Now value of n is 20. So 20 upon 2 is equal to into 2a plus n. Value of n is 20 minus 1 into d will be equal to 400. Now it will be 10. So 10 into 2a plus 19d will be equal to 400. So this 10 will come down. So 2a plus 19d will be equal to 40. And this will be our second equation. So first equation is a plus 4d is equals to 9 and second equation is 2a plus 19d is equals to 40. Now let us solve. So a plus 4d is equals to 9. This is our first equation. So you can solve both the equations simultaneously. So multiply this equation by 2. It will be our 2a plus 19d will be equal to 40 and this will be your 2a plus 8d will be equal to 18. So minus 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 cancelled. So 19 minus 8 will be your 11d and 40 minus 18 will be your 22. So value of d will be your 2. So value of d is 2. Now put the value of d in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So we put it here. So a plus 4 into 2 will be equal to 9. So a plus 8 will be equal to 9. So value of a will be 1. You have to calculate the first term and the common difference. So our first term is a, that is 1, and common difference is d, that is 2. And this will be our final answer. Now see the second question here. Question number 2. The ratio of 11th term to 18th term of an AP is 2:3. Find the ratio of 5th term to 21st term. So in this question is given that the ratio of 11th term to 18th term is given as 2:3. So you have to calculate the ratio of 5th term to 21st term. Just see how to solve. Ratio of 11th term. So T of 11 to 18th term. T of 18, this ratio is given as 2/3. So T of 11, apply the formula. Formula is A plus n minus 1 into D, where value of n is 11. So 11 minus 1 into D upon A plus 18 minus 1 into D will be equal to 2/3. So it will come A plus 10D upon A plus 17D will be equal to 2/3. Now simply cross multiply. So 3 multiplied by A will be 3A plus 30D will be equal to 2 multiplied by A will be 2A plus 34D. So now transfer 3A minus 2A will be A and 34D minus 30D will be equal to 4D. So value of A is coming as 4D. Now find the ratio of 5th term to the 21st term. We have to calculate here 5th term upon 21st term. So 5th term is A plus 4D and 21 term will be your A plus 20D. So at the place of A, we can write here 4D. So 4D plus 4D upon value of A here 4D plus 20D. So 4D plus 4D will be equal to 8D and 4 plus 20 will be equal to 24D. D and D cancel, 8 ones are and 8 threes are 1/3, or you can write 1:3 and that will be the answer. So this is a very important question from your board point of view. You can go through this question and answer will be your 1:3. Now see the next question here. Next question is question number 3rd. The 14th term of an AP is twice its 8th term. If its 6th term is -8, then find the sum of its 20 terms. So this will be your question. Now see how to solve. Question is saying that the 14th term of an AP is twice its 8th term. It means the 14th term in T of 14 is twice of its 8th term. It means T of 8. So T of 14 value is A plus 13D to T of 8 will be A plus 7D. So when you will solve here, it will come A plus 13D will be equal to 2A plus 14D. So transfer this side, it will be your A plus 13D will be equal to 2A plus minus 2A minus 14D will be equal to 0. A minus 2A minus A minus and minus 13D and minus 13D minus 14D is minus D will be equal to 0. So we can write here minus A is equals to D, or value of A will be equal to minus D. Second is if its 6th term is -8, so 6th term is T of 6, value is given as -8. So we can write A plus 5D is equals to -8. At the place 6th term is A plus 5D. Now value of A is what here? -D. So at the place of A here we can write here -D. So -D plus 5D will be equal to -8. 5D minus 5D is 5d minus d will be your 4d will be equal to minus 8. Value of d will be equal to minus 2. Value of d is minus 2. Value of a is equals to minus of minus 2. So value of a here is 2. So value of a is 2. Value of d is minus 2. We have to calculate here. Find the sum of its 20 terms. So we are knowing the formula for sum of 20 terms. The formula is S of 20. Formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S of 20 will be equal to 20 by 2 into 2a. Value of a is 2. So 2 into 2 plus 20 minus 1 into d. Value of d is minus 2. Cancel from here. S of 20 is equals to 10 into 4, 19 into minus 2 plus 19 into minus 2. So S of 20 will be equal to 10. So 4 minus 38. So 10 into 38 minus 4 is minus 34, and multiply by 10 you will get here S of 20 will be equal to minus 340, and that will be our answer. So this is also a very important question, and this question has been asked in your CBSE examination. Now see the next question of this. Now see the next question. Is 51 a term of AP 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. So in this question you have to calculate that is 58. You have to say that is 58 is a term of this AP. So just see, value of A is 5, value of B is 8 minus 5, 3. Value of n here is 51. So let us solve by the formula. T of 51 is equals to, formula is A plus n minus 1 into d. So in this question you have to calculate the value of n. So T of n. So value is 51. A is 5 plus n. Value of n you have to calculate minus 1 into d. Value of d is 3. So 51 is equals to 5 plus 3n minus 3. Transfer this side. So 51, 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 plus 3n. Transfer this side, it will be 49 is equals to 3n. So 49 upon 3 will be equal to n. So value of n will be your 16 whole 1 by 3. Now see, question is asking that is 51 is a term of an AP. So you can see that value of n is coming in fractional part. So n can't be a fraction. N will always be a whole number. So we can say that no, 51 can't be a term of the AP.